too busy eating, or can you come over and join the intro to today's video? Hey folks, I want to welcome y'all to today's video. Taking these beautiful ladies and my two lovely babies out to the air park, courtesy of our buddy Werner. He's headed out there to do some aviation type activities. Headed out to Woodland Airpark, Angeles City Flying Club. Werner's going to handle his aviation activities. We're going to handle some swimming activities. Fatima's going to handle some eating activities. I'm just kidding. They got great food out there, so we're all going to eat. It's a beautiful sunny day. So out of all these rainy days, everything just lined up. The stars aligned. Werner's going out there, so we jump in a ride with him. It's a sunny day. So we're blessed. It's just a blessed day. So thanks for joining us. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit that Overstay Road sign and get on board our train. Now there's a possibility, I'm not sure what he's got going on, but there's a possibility you ladies might be able to fly today. And Fatima's flown one time before, but you've never flown in an ultralight, right? So there's a possibility these ladies might get to go up in the ultralight and ride that roller coaster. Without further ado, here we go. Are you excited about going swimming?
Yes, Daddy.
Because you love swimming, huh?
Yeah.
My sweetie girl. Folks, we ended up, she left the parking brake at the laundry, right? Was using it?
Yeah, the motor, but that time, didn't use that one. So I saw that in the, next to the road. So I get that, but I'm still doing like this. I'm looking for camera.
Honey, it's our rock, okay?
Yeah, I'm still looking for the camera, and I said, no camera. When I thought the camera is I think, oh my God, maybe Ate said I'm stoning.
Honey, it's our rock. You can't steal your own property.
Ako sa nawala sa yang nabilin dito sa pang market. Gamay-gamay pa to niya.
All right, folks, on station, coming down the driveway here of Angeles City Flying Club. Beautiful, hot, sunny day out here. I'm telling you, if you're in Angeles City, sitting on a bar stool, take a day, come out here, watch the planes fly, take an introductory flight on an ultralight, and get some good food. Just beautiful setting out here in the country. Yes, I've done many videos, but this is just like our escape from the hustle and bustle of Angeles City. Just come out here to the airport. Welcome to Angeles City Flying Club, Woodland Airpark. Me and Famela are going to come up here and order some buco shakes. Get those coming and get a menu. And Fatima's already been here 100 times, but I figured I'd show Famela around the facilities here.
Oh, nice. Beer, baby. You gotta get that beer. We saw your that.
All right, thank you very much. Look at that ice cold salmon light. You want Ate Famela to go swimming with you?
Yes. Go order na. I'm hungry.
What you want to eat, baby?
Mupa.
Baby, we're at an air park and all you're worried about is the foods.
Spring roll.
Okay, so you reviewed the menu.
Here.
Okay, what do you ladies want to eat?
Spring roll. Pancit. Last time that we have a bistik, but
Oh, that was good too, huh?
yeah, bistik.
Okay,
With
so
the garlic.
what kind of pancit? The bihon, the canton, pork, chicken?
Ikaw magkuha na ng pancit.
Which one we going with?
Kasi kuan,
What do you think, Famela? You want to fly on the ultralight?
no, I prefer the big one.
You want the bigger one?
Yeah. Special pancit.
What is the special pancit?
I don't know. Is that special? Special, like special.
Pork chick?
Special, karang love. Karang love that. You care about her. You care, like you love her. That's
So-
the special.
Sort of like my love for you.
Oh shoot.
Folks, I just promoted Fatima. She has a new special title. Speaking of special.
Sabado Marquitos, para kapta ka.
Her new title is House Guest Number 1.
Yeah, you? What
House
I
Guest
come to
Number
you?
1, Supermodel Number 2.
Forrest, I have balloons. Come here. Special pancit. Bihon o kuan. Bihon o ganang. Anong gusto mo? Bihon o special pancit.
Special pancit.
Spring roll. This. Come on.
I got bad news, ladies. No rice.
They have rice.
There's a rice shortage in Pampanga.
Ay, sus. Then, don't forget the French fries.
French fries too?
Yeah. I like French fries.
Me too, Dad.
All right, let's see what old single dad's gonna order. Let's take a look at the menu. The food out here is on time.
Mama, Tima. Baby monkey food, swimming pool.
I've had many emails, comments, questions about exactly who is Famela, my supermodel number 2. Who is this mysterious Famela? We're ready to order, Dawn, but check that out.
Okay.
Look at those buko shakes. My goodness. Okay, so ladies, go ahead and tell the young lady what you want here.
Spring roll ate. Special pancit. Tapos, bistik Tagalog. Tapos, special pancit.
Ma'am, yung special pancit po namin is hindi po siya bihon. Spaghetti noodles po. And spicy po siya.
Pancit bihon na lang ate.
Sige po.
Tapos, French fries. Tapos, tatlong kanin.
Baby, there's a lot of taposes going on. There's too many taposes in this order.
So, yung order niyo po is 1 spring roll, 1 bistik Tagalog, 1 pancit bihon, and 3
Rice.
3 rice and 1 fries.
See, folks, these ladies never care about the foreign guy. You got to speak up for yourself or you go hungry. So, just one moment, darling. Let the foreign guy pull something off of here. What do most of the foreign guys order off of this? What do they go with?
Chicken curry?
Chicken curry?
Yes.
Sounds delicious. Let's go with a chicken curry. And whenever you come back down, bring me another San Mig Light.
Okay.
And a garlic rice.
Okay.
Thank you very much, darling. Folks, y'all see the stress I'm under with these ladies here. Put a food order in. All I heard was tapos, 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 tapos. My gosh, it's like they're at the tapos buffet. Okay, baby, how is the buko shake?
Go.
So Fatima's instructions to the young man was, go play, just don't go in the swimming pool. Are you watching them like a hawk, baby? Buko shake, folks. They take a fresh coconut, chop that meat out and the milk.
Go to Ate
And
Maria ko. Go to Ate. Go.
I just dripped about half of it on my shirt. But this is absolutely, it's absolutely delicious. When you come here, I recommend you go straight up there, put in your buko shake order, because it takes time. This ain't no powder. And come on down, get ready for the pool. And when she brings the buko shake, by that time you know what your food order is. It's a perfect flow. Baby, it's okay if you swim in them Daisy Dukes. That's not gonna, I got no objections to that. Now, folks, this is a hard life I live. It really is. Y'all see the stress that I'm under here? But somebody's got to do it. And I decided many years ago, it might as well be me.
Daddy,
Yes, ma'am.
I bought that.
What'd you buy, sweetie?
You bought
This
that.
one.
What's going on is Fatima keeps telling me to come over there and take care of the kids so she can go change. But she's wearing this pair of Daisy Duke shorts that look absolutely beautiful on her. I mean, she looks beautiful. I don't want her to go change. I mean, because I don't think she's putting a bikini on. She ain't gonna do that 'cause she knows I got a camera. But she looks so good in them Daisy Dukes. I don't want her to change. Sometimes you got to be the bigger gangster, my friends. Get what you want. Man, she looking good all thick in them Daisy Dukes. Because I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. All right, darling.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Daddy.
All right, folks, too cool. Give a shout out to my buddy Mike and his beautiful wife, Mary Lou. It was a pleasure to meet y'all. And also big shout out to his buddy Justin in Louisville, Kentucky. Man, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber here on the channel, my friend, when you come on over. Me, you, and Mike and the crew will have to get together and drink some beer. So too cool, folks. Too cool. We had a great day out here. It's been sunshining the whole time. Our buddy Werner, his business is concluded, so I said, hey, pack it up because the babies are starting to get too much sun. They've been in the pool non-stop, so they've had a great day. Got some great food and just a beautiful time here at Angeles City Flying Club. Come on out, check it out. Take an ultralight flight, join the flying club. Hey, if you want to learn how to fly, you can do that here. You want to take flying lessons, do something constructive that doesn't concern drinking beer or sitting on a bar stool. Hell, come on out and take flying lessons. Learn how to fly these ultralights. If you're a member here, obviously you can avail the pool. They have some rooms here. They got 2 new Baha'i Kubos that you can rent for $500 a day. That looks like got a bedroom there. You can get a nap if you need to. Just a great time. A great time here at Angeles City Flying Club. Yeah, I bought you a new vacuum cleaner for last Christmas. That's every woman's dream. This year I'm gonna get you a real nice mop.
I was so sleepy.